Hey everyone, it's Thursday, December 17th. Today you are going to continue working on your note cards. Remember, for each website you use, you need to fill out one of these crap test sheets. If you use a database, then you don't have to worry about that, but if you use just a website, then you have to fill one of those out. Don't forget that you should be citing your sources as you go using the MLA citation tool. Don't wait until the end, because if you can't find those sources again, then you can't use those note cards and then you have to go back to researching. So make sure that you're citing sources as you go. As you're researching, remember you are looking for information about the history, the application, and the implication. Your goal by the end of today is to have 10 note cards from at least 2 different sources total. So that's your overall goal. Your research assignment sheet is over here and your checklist is over here. So if you haven't begun filling out your checklist, make sure that you are, so that you can make sure that you're on track. If you have questions about research at all, let me know. Have a great day.